One of us is getting fired.
He's talking shit right now.
End up in federal penitentiary.
Make sure it's the right plant.
I'm actually gonna throw up.
Caleb, are you paying us?
No.
Now, we work at a desk every day, but today we've been drug out. We're on this job site working with one of our customers, moving this trailer full of dirt, and whoever sucks the most is going to get canned at the end of the day. So one of you is gonna get fired if I do 2 more takes of this. The first challenge is to see who can move 10 wheelbarrows full of dirt from the street to the backyard. All right, okay, Tullen.
I got dust in my eye.
All right. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to sub in someone. Caleb, I lose, fire me.
No, I'm getting scammed. They're scamming me. It's kind of a relief. I've been sabotaged. I know what we need to do. Hey, could you do me a favor and not die of a heart attack today?
I can't promise you that. Okay. I'm really out of shape.
Oh, I'm so taking this shovel.
He took my shovel.
Your shovel? Oh boy.
This one's mine.
Okay, we're gonna need to take a second. This man runs finance the way he runs wheelbarrows. I'm gonna end up in federal penitentiary. Wow. A life of crime?
Call me Robin Hood.
I'm not gonna lie, this does suck. This fully sucks. I've never really wanted to be on a Zoom meeting before, but right now I do. You scooped 2 scoops since I walked back there.
Yeah, you told me I shouldn't have a heart attack.
Well, I mean, worse things could happen. I could have a heart attack.
I'll Venmo you $10 to do my last one.
Look at the size of this. You haven't seen a load this big since. That's a complete your own adventure joke right there.
I'm going.
That's it?
No. You gotta keep going.
Oh my gosh.
We've got this. The final countdown. We're gonna have to replace those.
Are we there?
Go, go, go.
We're going. We're going big. You all right, Devin? I had a flat tire. Oh. Oh, I can't breathe. I'm actually gonna throw up.
Winner. Yeah, and stop scratching the driveway.
Oh, whew. It's not easy to win, Devin. It's not easy to win, but it feels good.
Do we have water, Caleb?
So on that competition, they both did pretty good. We're gonna give Luke a 5 out of 10, and we're gonna give Tullen a 3 out of 10 for the complaining.
I'm not gonna lie, we even cheated in my favor and I still managed to blow it. I'm pretty sure Luke is on testosterone. That might be helping him. He's talking shit right now.
I hear Tullen admitting on camera that he's low T. Our second challenge is to see who can plant all their plants in the right location with the most love. Where are the plants?
Idiot!
Oh, there they are. Okay, hold on, they're labeled.
Are they colored over here too?
We gotta figure these out.
Oh, we should have read the flags. I did not read. You read your flags?
There's more plants than there is flags.
These are both June's, right? Am I crazy?
Cheating, but yes.
What?
Because you already read the flag before we started.
Huh?
First one goes in with love.
Love, oh yeah. You don't need to dig a hole with love though, right? You can dig a hole with pure hate. I've never seen a plant planted better than this. With more love and more care and more tenderness.
Hey, come on. We just put this edging in.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry.
How many does Luke have? I have 2. He has like 4, huh?
You're good at math. That's good, because this is not gonna be a day job for you.
Pre-fired. I got 3 plants in and you're still talking about making out with them over there.
There we go.
So much love.
Lost a plant.
All right, let me clean up my workspace. I feel like I've got extra time here. Tullen's over there whispering sweet nothings.
You get that, Kento? My strategy is to use the 5 love languages to plant these plants.
You see Tullen walking? I'm out here doing calisthenics. I'm gonna stretch in between, getting limber, because I have all of this time to win.
You are the most beautiful plants I've ever seen. I'm really enjoying this quality time planting you.
We're just taking it easy. Tullen's over here chattering to these plants like it's a girlfriend that won't move out of his apartment, which is just a classic Tullen problem. It is a little cathartic, isn't it? Talking to something that doesn't want to walk away from you at the bar.
All right, Tullen's got one more.
Hey, what do I? Mouse ears. Luke planted those. I know what those look like.
He doesn't even have his plant. I feel like we're victory lapping right now.
Yes. Yeah, are we getting paid? Caleb, are you paying us?
No,
Oh, shit.
I think we're paying him.
Luke did plant them faster, but we don't think that the speed really helped. Tullen planted them to the point where we think they're actually gonna survive and not just be thrown in a hole. Tullen got a 6 out of 10, Luke got a 4 out of 10.
Oh, great, okay. Now we're moving rocks. In the final challenge, we each get 2 minutes to put as many rocks in these wheelbarrows as we can. Then the other one has to race them back to the flower bed. The fastest time wins.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, you're doing better than I thought. I don't like the looks of this at all. This is also, oh my gosh. Keep going, you're home stretching and let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. This one looks heavier.
You're never gonna win.
This one looks heavier. Oh, it is heavier. Oh, that was my time. I was just shoveling.
Fine.
Fine.
Didn't break a sweat. I'm putting my life on the line for this company, Luke. Yeah. DJ, I really f***ing need you, man. I've gotta win this one. $20. Can I sub you in?
Let's get a win for the short guys.
Hell yeah, short kings. Oh.
I have a diabolical strategy for Tullen. It's mean-spirited, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
All right, Luke, you got 2 minutes. Fill them as full as you can. 3, 2, 1, go.
Take smaller shovelfuls. Trash. Slowing down.
How much time do I have left? I'll live and die by those.
Oh my God. You gotta help me, DJ. Go,
Oh
go,
dear,
go, go,
come
go.
on. Oh, you're both going? You're not getting that back there in 40 seconds.
Get it. Oh no, her driveway.
I'd like to speak to a rules official.
Did we win?
With cheating.
Hey, you.
Cheated is what you did.
Whoa.
What are you trying to do here? Hey DJ, where are my clothes? Hey DJ, push the wheelbarrow. What is going on?
Yeah.
Where's the integrity of the game? How much did you pay him?
$20.
20, that's it?
Yeah, I probably owe him more if I win.
All right, so today we got the dirt moved into the backyard, we got the plants planted, and we got the race for the rock into the backyard done. These two did pretty good. I would say the planting of the plants was the best that I've seen out of a couple new guys.
Yeah.
However, Luke, we're gonna have to let you go. You are fired.
No, how, why? This guy hired subs mid-job, that's extra cost.
That's teamwork.
Oh, okay.
Luke, because I won, I get to bestow a punishment upon you. For the next week, you have to wear a shirt with a picture of my face on it.
All week?
Yes, and it's going to say, without this man, my life would amount to nothingness and I would be a nobody. Well played, sir.
All right, good match.
Wow, you photoshopped my wife carrying you around.
That's not a photo.
That's real.
Then I also took your kids out for ice cream because I'm the world's best dad.
That is legitimately hilarious. Do you see this?
Let me see. Hold on. Oh, I want that picture. That's awesome.
Yeah, we have the picture.
Nice.
I'm not gonna lie, I'd be more embarrassed wearing what you're wearing, but
Would you?
freaking bum beat me out there. You know it was like, it's a scam, right? And that he cheated,
I don't know the rules.
bribed, maneuvered, and then takes his kids out to ice cream.
Yeah, did you see the world's best dad?
Oh, that's the best part.
How was the ice cream with my kids? You guys talk to them about accounting and. Hey, dude, the next time I catch you having ice cream with my wife and my kids, I'm gonna tell you to stop doing that.